Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video tutorial, we're going to basically walk you through what to expect from Module 2, Lesson 6, which covers functions, specifically pass by reference, and even maybe a little bit more specifically as it relates to arrays. So if we take a look at the code, I'm going to go ahead and run this program. And you'll see actually it's pretty similar to the last program where it basically generates a new deck of 52 cards, almost like you get it out of the factory with everything in order. And then it just goes through and it generates, in this particular case, 5 shuffled decks of cards. So this example actually is a modification of the last lesson where we created a card shuffling program, and you'll see that program was just one big main program. It was just one method in there. In this particular program, you'll see that we actually broke main. Main's very small now. You can see it's now maybe 10 lines of code or something like that, maybe not even that many. And then it's broken down into some methods: create ordered deck, print deck, and then create shuffled deck. And this will essentially show you the concepts of specifically passing arrays by reference instead of by value. In an earlier example, I believe it was lesson 1, we talked about passing values, passing parameters by values into functions. In this one, we're going to talk about passing parameters by reference, and we'll kind of go over the difference of that and really show you through example. So that is lesson 6. HelloDrDan.com if you want to walk through that with us from scratch. Thanks.